guys, welcome back to Jordan and Kaylee. This is yours, but okay.
Sorry.
So today we're making clear slime, but we're not using the whole bottle.
We're just
because
using
we
a
just
little
don't
bit.
know. Yeah, we're using a little bit. We don't know if we like it.
And if you haven't watched our fluffy slime video, then you might notice that we have a new background behind us.
Yep, just watch. I'll show you my fluffy slime, and you can tell them.
Alright, and this is mine.
No, put it back. Because I'll show mine, and then you can show them back to back. So the fluffy. So the fluffy slime is just like this. It's
And
like
that's
filled
the Jordans.
Yep,
It looks like a blue to you guys, but it's actually
it's mint teal.
mint.
Yeah. So there's just that, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
There we go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Alright. I just turned on the light, and our seat's open back here. So it's really nice having opening and closing seats. So we just throw our slimes under there.
Oh, and then we have another seat that we could just.
Yeah, it can't shut. That's why I always have it open.
Why?
Because
The container.
the container.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, we're just making. So we have a activator over there and our clear slime. We don't know if we like this or not. We've
We
never
have the
done it.
activator from the fluffy slimes though.
Yeah. So we're just using a little bit.
Yeah, so like maybe
That
much. Yeah. So about that much each. You can
So just about like that much. I'll tell you when to stop. Because I know. Okay.
I want a little bit more because I bet that. Oh, whoops,
Way too much.
whoopsies. Well, actually, about the same
Okay, so now we're just adding the activator.
because nothing else is added to clear slime, and we're gonna mix super slow to make sure not too many air bubbles form.
Doesn't make that big, but that's also pretty good.
It's actually working pretty well. Mine is still really clear. It's actually kind of working out.
We just wanted to see what it's like, but we probably won't like it.
Yeah.
Now I'm kind of gonna need mine.
I'm just gonna start kneading it. I don't care.
I'm gonna dip it in the borax.
Mine
And
is-
yes, we do use borax, but
we've done our own research and we have parent permission, so we're all good, guys.
This is okay.
Okay, like what happened to my slime? So this is what happened.
That's what it's like. Like
When
it's
you do
okay,
it,
but
but-
like
I'm just gonna throw this in a bag and
I'm gonna add shaving cream to it
same
so we don't waste.
and paint.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add the pink paint this time because I want pink.
So
So it doesn't matter if we get air bubbles. See, mine's
container
clear.
because we're gonna
We're just gonna throw it in a bag.
yeah.
So you don't use. This is too small to need a whole container.
So we added paint.
And shaving cream. Hers is still clear. Mine is horrible.
This is great.
Well, it's just from all the air bubbles, I guess. But I don't really care anymore because who cares? Get in there, stupid thing. Whoops, I added a little too much paint.
It does get bigger, but I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because first I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I would do that if I were you. So, really fast, checking in on Kaylee's slime. Yeah, mine's a mess here. Jordan usually is the main character because we always film on her electronic, and she's the one who started Jordan. looks like cotton candy on my finger.
So I'm just gonna add a little
Now I'm just realizing this. We bought cotton candy colors, pink and blue.
We did.
Whoop.
Got a little bit more glue.
Yes, please. Actually, no. No. Or you can add it, I guess. Oh, well. We're saving our empty bottles because we can always refill them with white glue or something. Or use them for prank wars. You never know.
There we go.
This is actually. Whoa! How did yours get that big? Mine
Was tiny,
and
and now mine's really big, guys.
mine is still super duper tiny. I don't know how you did that. Just kept on adding shaving cream? I need to keep mine small though. I like mini slimes. Mini slimes are super cute. Oh, Jordan!
Why?
How did you do that?
You wondered?
You added more glue, didn't you?
Nope.
Okay, I want more glue. Because I want to get mine that big.
Well, go off your hands. Just bring a towel.
There is a towel legit right here, Jordan.
Well, legit, you didn't tell me that. I'll add your glue. Because you didn't need that much.
Alright, that's good. Oh, are you using the empty container? Right
No.
now? Okay. I didn't know. No, seriously, I did not know. Didn't know if you were. Oh, this feels much better after adding. Like, it just feels like a little batch of pink fluffy slime. It's basically what we just legit made, except it's not blue, it's pink.
But it's more like...
It's better instead of clear. Hey guys. So we failed at clear slime, but we succeeded at fluffy. We love fluffy, okay? It looks like bubblegum slime. And I said bubblegum slime is what we'll do if we get 50 likes. Well, it doesn't matter if we got 50 likes. We were still going to practically end up doing it, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I can easily make a bubble. Oh, wait, mine just tore. That means it's not very good or stretchy. Okay, I need more shaving cream, dude.
Mine's like this. I'm still kneading it right now. I had a whole bunch of shaving cream in my bowl just in case. So I don't need the whole time. Now I'm going to dip my hand and just...
She does that.
You do it too sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. But not every video.
I don't do it every video.
I know, but you do it more than me. Actually, we do it at like the same point. Mine is getting bigger. The more shaving cream you add, the bigger it gets.
Was your mom working later?
My mom is working till 4 o'clock, but she usually gets stuck on a call.
Oh yeah, we got out early.
Yeah. So maybe tomorrow we can have a sleepover.
I'll talk to my mom about it tonight. She'll probably say yes because we didn't have one Wednesday.
Yeah. My mom will.
Oh yeah, Thursday, guys, we had the day off, so.
No, you mean Wednesday because today's Thursday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, we had yesterday off. We were going to have a sleepover on Tuesday, but then my mom said no, it's school night. But now that it's a weekend night, it's a, oh yeah. Like this one. No chance. I'm dying. Dying.
How'd you get yours that good?
I added, I don't know. Don't ask me, ask. Oh, you did it on the table now?
Well, that's what worked last time. Cause my
I just
blue
add
slime,
shaving cream by shaving cream.
my blue slime was like this, so we just added more.
We love slime, guys. Like, we used to have a channel called Slime Sisters.
Slime lovers.
Yeah, but that got hacked. So we shut it down, and now we started Jordan and Kaylee, which is a better name.
And slime lovers too.
Yeah. But that's when we were totally obsessed with slime and not into challenges like we are now. Like, we only have 2 subscribers. Like, come on, guys. Give him that subscribing button. Just watch one video and then maybe watch another and see if you like us or not. Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you want me to say something. No, just kidding. That'd be bad. I just add little amounts of shaving cream needed and add more. Yeah. And then add more, then add more, and then it just isn't as big as a mess.
You get to clean the balls this time.
I know. While you look for it.
I
Well,
don't
you-
think it does.
Yeah. Yay! Cleaning. Sucks. Math is awesome, guys. I love
We
math.
feel yours.
And I feel yours. Oh, what happened?
How'd you?
Are you jealous of mine?
No, but how?